Up. Come up. Okay, up. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm ready to share another techniques. My student, Taekwondo Karate techniques. Yes, sir. Please subscribe to the channel, so follow my Facebook and TikTok. She is my student before, and Karate, Taekwondo, Arnis, and boxing. How old are you, ma'am? Bibi, ilang taon na ngayon? Oh, guys, remember, ilang taon na rin, ano? So, refresh tayo, okay? Tayo, dito. Guys, sa tabi kalsada lang kami. So, refresh namin yung mga techniques. Okay, no? Press, dapat. Yeah, tingnan ko nga. Okay, left, position. Right. Guys, yung student ko the time. You guys know, back. Fishing. Yan guys, no? Naalala pa niya. Naalala pa niya yung mga techniques. Kan? Left. Left. Listen. Left. One. Guys, no? Ilang taon guys? Ilang taon din guys? Nakasan. Then right. Yan. So, right. Left. Another. Fishing. Ganito na lang. Then,
Tayo pala nila atin.
John, flipping. Left. Left. Guys, nasa tabi kalsada lang kami. So, pagmamanin is mahirap gawin. Yes, yes, no? Okay? Come. Let's left. Position, left. Left. Yeah. Basic lang guys, i-refresh ko lang siya. Dahil nga matagal kami hindi nakapag-ensayo. Yes guys, no? Okay, okay. Refresh. Ito. May command. Vision. Guys. Guys, ilang taon din bago ko nabalikan yung aking student. Yes guys, no? So guys, no? Titingnan ko guys kung gumagana pa yung tinuro ko sa kanya the time. Yes, come up. Then line. Wow, nice. Okay, hype. Up, stop. Alright. Here's my student. Taekwondo, Karate, Kickboxing, and Boxing Arnis. Yan so guys, no? So matagal-tagal din guys. How many years din na bago ko siya nabalikan. So guys, no? YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Please, monetize muna ako para manapagana ko naman ang lahat. Na mapapasyalan ko naman yung aking mga students. So guys, no? Dahil sa kahirapan guys, is hindi na namin na guys, naghahaba lang kasi lang ako at construction para lang makakain. Eh, guys, no? So, naalala mo pa, Bibi, mo the time? Di kita mo lang guys, dapat sila guys na-refresh din yung mga kabataan. So, ito guys, ibang mga techniques na ipapalapas kanya yung mga techniques ng bata pa siya na may-refresh ko sa mga kabataan. So, marami tayong student guys, no? Marami tayong student na nandito sa gilid ng kalsada lang guys, ano? Sige no, mga kabataan na nag-student natin. Tapos ulit, eh? Ay, refresh kita ulit guys, no? Ha? Refreshing techniques. Okay. Guys, no? Ano pa niya, naaalala pa niya yung iba. So, dahil sa katagalan guys, hindi ko sila nare-repeat. Then, guys, no? Matagal-tagal din na guys na hindi ko nare-refresh yung aking mga student. So, guys, no? Yan, guys, no? Dami-dami rin. Let's go. Position ulit. Position, tight. Gosh, punta ka doon. Okay, 3 kinds of okay? Refresh. Okay? Come up. And good job. Okay? High five. Wow, nice. Good. And high five. So, sa government natin, na ito na ay ma-refresh natin at may ensayong mga kabataan, mabigyan natin ng official itong aking student. Pwede ko siya guys i-upgrade ng pag-upgrade. So lang guys, kahirapan. Hindi ko siya nami-maintain. Sa government natin, itong student ko guys, is pwede natin upgrade ito high grade upgrade strategy. Sige, no, itong student ka. Okay. Yan. So guys, yung student ko na in-upload on the time and na may refresh ko pa siya. Sige, no. Ito high grade strategy. So ngayon guys, dahil nga sa kahirapan guys, hindi ko siya na maintain gawa ng malayo ako guys at sa pangangailangan. Okay, bye. Back ulit again, doon. Okay. Yan, run. Go. Give me 3 kinds of the fish. Okay? Okay? High five. Okay guys, start. Okay, right? Helps. Yan, sige, no? So, yan guys, ang aking strategy sa aking student na i-refresh ko sila na may ano natin, yung ating nakutaan, i-refresh ko sila. So, sa dami guys, dami kong student. So, dahil guys, pangailangan, maski yung gloves natin guys, is durug-durug na rin. Ayan, sige, no? So, yung sa boxing natin, bebe, maalala pa? Yan, yan, so guys, no? So, matagal-tagal na rin. So, guys, no? YouTube, please, YouTube Center, give me a chance to para may request ko yung aking mga students, no? Mapapalakas ko sila at yung Facebook. Eh, so guys, no? Thank you so much. At naibigay mo pa sa akin yung lahat na maka-open ako ng aking account. So guys, no? So thank you so much, TikTok. And this is my representing my students.